Dear colleagues, dear customers, dear families, and dear friends. Like everyone else, the top management of Interroll is quite concerned about the crisis due to the virus spread. We all follow the news and watch the regulations very carefully, as we all want to recover from this situation as soon as possible. It is quite sad and a real tragedy to see so many people dying. At the same time, people are scared about their families, their jobs, and their future. We at Interroll do the utmost to keep everyone busy, and on behalf of the top management, I really would like to thank everyone at Interroll for the outstanding job you do. Today, Interroll is still highly operative. Our 16 factories are working according to the required hygiene and healthcare regulations, and we are able to support the most critical industries for continuous supplies. First of all, I would like you to meet Ben Shah, the head of our Asian operations, so he can tell you how this all started and how Asia is doing today.
Dear fellow colleagues, dear partners, when the coronavirus outbreak started in late January, it caused health attention of local management team. The safety and health of our colleagues and employees is always the first priority. In the meantime, minimization of interruption to our business and commitment to our people, our customers, and other stakeholders such as suppliers is one of major concerns we had. From the very beginning, we kept transparent and close communication with our people. We care about everyone of the company. Panic does not help. It is a difficult time. However, we are confident and even more dedicated to work out of the challenge with the team, so that our jobs are to be secured, so that our families can be protected. We strictly follow the government's guideline, take measures to protect our people, and keep our workplace safe, such as regular sterilization, measuring temperature, keeping enlarged social distance. We keep communication with our customers about the situation and confirm our commitment to them. When the situation permitted, we actively organized the production. Although with lower magnitude, our business had never been stopped, even in the most dark and uncertain time, by flexible arrangements such as working from home. When the circumstances allowed, Interroll was one of the first wave of companies which reopened in Suzhou and Shanghai. Since we resumed production in Suzhou and Shenzhen in mid of February, we have recovered 90% of our capacity. The missing portion will be realized in about 1 week by taking on additional workforce. We are ready to further uplift the output to cope with potential market demand by extra or extended shifts. We are coordinating with partners and suppliers, which is also a challenge due to reduced international traffic. As you have learned from the press release, we will build a new factory in Suzhou. This project goes as scheduled. We had actually officially received land use right from the authority this week. Despite impact of coronavirus on global economy and uncertainty of the cause, my outlook of our business is positive. Comparing with other industries, internal logistics definitely provide more opportunities. Actually, e-commerce, online shopping, and express parcel, for example, played a unique role in time of city lockdown. Most people believe the material handling industry will attract more attention and investment once the situation relating to coronavirus has been contained. It's not only a business, I also see it as our job and obligation. As a global leading supplier of internal logistics solutions, to respond and fulfill market demand so that we can help people in difficult times by delivering food and necessities with our solutions. Once the situation recovered, the biggest challenge will be with capacity and lead time. The one who can produce more, produce quicker, will win out. To that sense, we Interroll have unique advantages. I wish all the best to our fellow colleagues. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you, Ben. All the best to you and your people. We are now meeting with Jens Strüving, our head of operations, the so-called P&T organization. He will give us an update on customer service and on our global production capacities.
Dear colleagues and dear customers, with this message, I personally want to update you on our current business situation and the measures we have taken to keep everyone safe and what we are doing to stay in business so everyone can keep their jobs. First, I want to share the feedback from all of my colleagues within the global P&T organization that we are and we will doing whatever it takes to secure the deliveries to our customers globally. At this point of time, we are close to 95% capacity utilization in China. In Europe, we are slightly above 90%, and in Americas, we are still close to 100%. With our flexible and scalable setup, we can actually go for 130% in some of the locations within a short notice. Interroll invests a lot of money and resources to keep all our operations alive and have a job for everyone. The advantage of Interroll is our global setup and the financial strengths. We are able to support all our people and we are ready to respond to our customers' needs. Dear colleagues, we have to make sure the supply chain of critical deliverables and machinery equipment stays intact. That's why we at Interroll have to make a difference. We all have to work diligently on safeguarding business continuity for us and our customers. Any shortage of availability within the critical industrial segments, these are food, hygienic, medical and pharmaceutical supplies, could cause additional unrest and would only worsen the crisis. They say in a crisis you really see the character of people. This is the moment of truth, and we all at Interroll are in this together to support our customers. But first, all measures were taken to safeguard our own people. Now it is to show you that you can trust Interroll even in those very tough times. We are around today and will be there tomorrow. We hope for your understanding that we, like everyone else, are struggling with uncertainties and that it may come to some delays in responses or deliveries. These days require leadership and business management. Let's do this. Dear colleagues and customers, thank you very much for your support and contribution. All the best to you and stay safe.
Thank you, Jens. More than ever before, we commit to this important purpose of our company, and we will do whatever it takes to maintain operations. We started our journey in Asia. Now we are moving on to Americas, where we will meet Richard Keeley, the head of our Americas operations.
Hello. I would like to personally thank everyone for all their support and dedication during the COVID-19 outbreak. I am inspired and motivated by the great commitment we have to Interroll, each other, and to our customers during this crisis. I'm very proud to be part of a company that is essential in the needs of people all over the world by supporting the supply chain and logistics operations in many different industries, you can believe we are helping in these tough times. Our responsibility now is that we look after each other and our customer needs. It is more important now than ever to be a reliable partner, and we are ready when the time comes to meet the needs of our customers and the global economy. This will only make us stronger, and we will prevail. Stay safe.
Thank you, Richard. May all these measures work, and you and your people and families shall be safe. As Richard said, Interroll is working to keep the logistics of food, medicals, groceries, pharmaceutical industries alive. We are actually proud to serve as an essential contributor in this crisis. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and as we say in Italy, Suleimani.